everyone. I wanted to talk about a slight pivot that I'm going to be making to this crochet channel. I haven't posted in a while. I have been posting on another YouTube channel that I'm running called Texas Donna, and where I talk about sort of my health journey and all of that. Nothing drastic. Just facing nutritional situations and such as a woman in her 50s. You can check that out if you think that applies to you. In any case, but I want to keep working on this crochet channel, and I've had to evaluate my strengths and what I want to do with this channel. So I'm going to be not abandoning but pivoting away from the idea of tutorials, because video editing is not my strength and I don't love it, but I do love to crochet. I am still going to put up tutorials. I just have to figure out with what frequency and what kinds of things people want that I like to do. I am going to do more talking to the camera type videos because I'm at a market every week and I'm learning a lot of things about what people want, what people like, that might be useful to other crocheters. Your markets may vary. I am in Dallas, Texas. I'm in a weekly market in Dallas, in East Dallas. And if you're, in fact, in the area, come see me at White Rock Farmers Market. You can find the Instagram page there as Good Local Markets, but you can also follow my Instagram page for information about that. It's every Saturday, 8 a.m. to noon. In any case, I've done things like I've learned how to sort of windproof my booth, and the types of things I ordered from Amazon, for example, that help with that effort. There's things I need to improve in terms of signage, all of that. So I'd like to do more talking to the camera about practical things other crocheters might relate to, might want to know, might want to be in a conversation about. So I wanted to just post that. Again, it's been a while since I've posted. I'm sure y'all aren't laying awake at night wondering where I am, but in case you are, that's what I've been doing. I have been crocheting like mad, for things for this market and special orders that I get. If you want to see the types of things I'm crocheting, of course, go to my website, figbasketcrochet.com. And if there's any particular content you want to see from just little old me, then, let me know. This is a small channel. I do hope to grow it, but mostly I hope to have fun and connect with other crocheters in meaningful conversations. Thanks, guys. Love you all. I'm on my way to this market right now. I'm about to turn in. Bye.